What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we're talking about Algorand. Algorand is an altcoin currently ranked number 28. They just partnered with FIFA to one of the sponsors of the FIFA 2022 World Cup. We're talking about that and more in this video. Guys, we're looking at the Algorand versus the dollar price chart, Algorand versus Bitcoin, Algorand versus Ethereum, and also pick at Algorand market cap chart. And before we leave, guys, we're looking at the Algorand dominance chart and we tying all that information to see where Algorand can go in the coming alt season. How far can Algorand go? But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys, if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Guys, at the point of recording this video, Algorand is currently ranked number 29 on CoinMarketCap. It has a market capitalization of $4.7 billion. Now, Algorand is an altcoin. Algorand is a self-sustaining, decentralized blockchain network that supports a wide range of applications. These systems are secure, scalable, and efficient, all critical properties for effective application in the real world. Algorand will support computations that require reliable performance guarantee to create a new form of trust. So Algorand is very, very important in the crypto space. I'm sure that is why FIFA actually partnered with them, and they released this on their Twitter page saying they have partnered with FIFA to become the official blockchain of FIFA, empowering the global football community with cutting-edge sustainable technology. Guys, what do you think will happen to the price of Algorand? Immediately this news was announced, Algorand jumped up over 20% in the last 24 hours. It has a fully diluted market cap of over $7 billion. Now, at the point of recording this video, guys, Algorand has a 24-hour trading volume of over $700 million, and that's a 390% increase on the last 24 hours. That means the announcement of the news actually led to a lot of people rushing to buy the coins. So in this video, we're looking at, are they making the right choice buying Algorand? How far can Algorand go into the future? Right now, at the point of recording this video, guys, you can get one of it for 70 cents. Will it make sense to buy one? I'll be showing you that and more in the price chart and more. But first, guys, circulating supply for Algorand is over $6.73 billion. Before we dive into the Algorand dollar price chart, Algorand Bitcoin price chart, guys, let's look, where can you get some Algorand? If you want to get some, if you want to get some ALGO, where can you get it? You can get it on all your major exchanges. You can get it on Coinbase exchange, on FTX, on Gate.io, on Binance US, Hugo Global. Anywhere you get your favorite altcoins, you can get some algo there, which is very, very good to see. You want to make sure that any altcoin you're buying is very, very accessible for anybody to buy, so that you can buy and sell at any time. Now, looking at the algo versus dollar price chart is telling us a very, very sweet story. You can see right here, our algo came into existence in 2019, July 2019 to be precise. And when it was launched at $3.2 a token, and after the launch date, algo actually dropped over 96%. It was launched during the bear market. It dropped over 96% in the next 269 days. Now, it actually bottomed at 11 cents exactly. This was the COVID-19 sell-off. It bottomed with the whole market, and when the market was going on that wonderful bull run in 2021, when everything and anything was going to the moon, where Bitcoin went from as low as $3,000 to over $64,000, guys, guess what? Algo actually went up over 1,250%, which is very, very awesome. You want to see this kind of movements in coins. You want to see the coins following the whole market. So as the whole market went up, Algo too went up. But guess what, guys? It didn't get to as high as the price where it was launched. It was launched at 3.2. It has never gotten back to that 3.2. And when the market crashed in May, June, July, Algo actually crashed with the market too. It lost over 62% of its value. But it didn't just crash randomly. It crashed to support, and 0.67 was actually the level that held that support. It was nice to see. Then it pumps into new all-time highs from July 15, when the market bottomed. Bitcoin was around 29,000 at this point in time. Algo actually bottomed, and then it had another run of over 266%, which took it into new all-time highs. It got to as high as $2.5. But since then, it has actually been dumping, and it has lost over 78% of its value. But guess what, guys? When people capitulated, a lot of people got angry, thinking algo is going back to the depths of the bear market. They capitulated and sold their algo, and guess what happened? That's when we just had the announcement that Algo has partnered with FIFA, and immediately the news came out. Boom, the coin bounced up over 22%. A lot of people scoped these coins right now. I actually think it's a smart move for you to scope Algo at these low prices. The whole market is down, and Algo has showed us that anytime the whole market is going up, it goes up with it. And right now, if you're getting some Algo at 70 cents, 69 cents, if it goes back to its all-time high, you're going to make an over 260% return on your initial investment. Can Algo get to $5? Guys, I think it can get to $5, and for it to get to $5, we just have to see a 600% return on investment. The market cap for Algo is 4.7 billion, so for it to get to $5, it means Algo's market cap will be around 50 something billion dollars. Is that possible? Guys, this partnership that just announced with FIFA, it's a very huge deal. FIFA is very huge, and the World Cup is very huge. If Algo is going to be processing the whole transactions that will be going on during FIFA, I mean, that's a huge thing for the network. The Algorand network claims to be able to process over 1 million transactions a day, which is a very good. You want to see all the networks that are going to be used for all these kind of things being scalable networks. Now, the next chart we'll be checking is Algo versus Bitcoin. Since when Algo was launched, all the people that have flipped their Bitcoin for Algo the day it was launched, they have been in loss since then. You can see that Algo was flipped. Algo was launched on the 21st of July 2019, and since then it lost as much as 96% of its value against Bitcoin. I'm sure a lot of people are in huge losses. The people that flipped their Bitcoin for Algo that day, they're in huge losses. But from the bottom of the market, when Algo bottomed, you can see that it has just been ranging. He actually got his lows on January 2021. That was when Algo got to his lows, and that was when Bitcoin started making that tear. Algo since then gained as much as 400% against Bitcoin, but now at the point of recording this video, Algo is just 62% from its lows against Bitcoin. So is it a smart move now to start selling your Bitcoins and getting some Algos? Guys, for the alt season that is coming in the nearest future, I think it's a very good move to actually start letting go of the blue chips cryptos, that's Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think those coins have seen their own days, they have seen their own days in the sun, they have had their own bull run, they have gone to the moon. It's time for all these other cryptos that have not had that time to have that wonderful gain. I think their time is coming, and I think in the nearest future what you see people doing is that they'll start flipping their Bitcoin for Algorand. Why would they do that? They'll start seeing Algo going to new all-time highs. A lot of people will be talking about it. There'll be hype. A lot of retail investors will be buying it, and all those people still stuck with their Bitcoin and Ethereum. They will have to just at some point and say, you know what, I want to make some money in this market. Many people are not here for the technology, they're here for the money, and that's why they will sell their Bitcoin for Algo, and that will further increase the price. You can see that on the Bitcoin pairing, we have a huge resistance at this level right here for Algo against Bitcoin. We touched that on the 13th of September 2021. This was when all coins were going crazy. People thought Bitcoin was going on a retracement. We didn't know Bitcoin would set new all-time highs, and when Bitcoin went ahead and set new all-time highs, then the altcoins were chilling. Now we're waiting for Bitcoin to go for its final retracement so that Altseason can happen. Guys, Algo is down 56% in the last 1 year. It's down 25% in the last 1 month. It's even down 4.2% on the week. But on today, I'm recording this video, guys, Algo is up 14%, and that's what you want to see. You want to see all these coins having those correct bounce. For you to start going to 200%, you have to start at least at a 1% profit. Guys, the next chart we'll be looking at is Algo against Ethereum. Now, Algo has not been outperforming Ethereum at any point in time. Since when Algo was launched, it started losing value against Ethereum. As a matter of fact, Algo against Ethereum has lost over 98% of its value. It would have made more sense to actually hold Ethereum all this while since when Algo was launched instead of holding Algorand. But guys, I think with all things in life, it's about to flip. Holding Algorand actually makes sense in the coming future than holding Ethereum. Guys, Ethereum went from as low as $100 to over $4,300. So I think the profit run in Ethereum is over. The bull run in Ethereum is over. Ethereum can still see higher prices. I still think Ethereum is going to go to over $4,000. But guys, as I said, people will soon start flipping their Bitcoin for Algorand. The same thing with Ethereum, will soon start flipping their Ethereum for Algorand to go back to where it was in August 11, 2019 against Ethereum. It has to go up over 1,800% against Ethereum. That means Algorand will gain so much value, and Ethereum probably will not see new all-time high. I strongly believe Ethereum will probably not see new all-time high, but Algorand is on its forward march towards $5, and right now, guys, it's just going for 70 cents. People will soon start flipping their Ethereum for Algorand. Just the way the people work, they want to go where the profit is. And today we can see that the whole market is kind of green, but Algorand is one of the coins that are actually showing us the way in the market is up. Double-digit gains. You want to see that if you can maintain this momentum for like 3 weeks, 1 month. You know, most of these cryptos, all they need is just 30 days of continuous good momentum, and boom, they are going to the moon. In the last 30 days, we saw how ApeCoin and GMT actually went to the moon, even when the whole market was going to shred. Guys, looking at the Algorand market cap chart, you see that since when Algorand was launched right here, the market cap was just basically above $1 billion. It was just scratching $1 billion, but something actually changed right here, where Bitcoin, after Bitcoin got to 40,000, all coins started going crazy in the early portions of 2021. Algorand market cap actually exploded over 2,800%. Algorand market cap went from a measly 500 million to over $15 billion, and since then Algorand has actually been losing valuation in market capitalization. It dropped over 75%. Now, at the point of recording this video, Algorand has a market capitalization of over $4 billion. You see that when Algorand was launched, it just was teetering above that 100 million, 200 million. It was the micro cap. Nobody knew about it. And when everybody rushed to buy it here at the top, thinking we'll continue going to the moon, and boom, it crashed on their head. It's down 75% in its valuation in the last 167 days, but I expect it to set a new all-time high in its valuation. I expect Algorand to set a new all-time high in its valuation. I expect us to see Algorand go to maybe 16 billion, 17, maybe as high as $20 billion. Is that possible? Guys, again, this is crypto. Everything is possible. The last chart we'll be looking at here to further boost guys, to further boost our hypothesis that Algorand is going to the moon and probably going above $5 is the Algorand dominance chart. You can see the highest dominance Algorand has had in the market since inception was in September 2021. This was when Algorand set new all-time high. This was around this region right here. One Algorand was going for as high as $2.5. That was when Algorand set a new all-time high in the market. It has the highest dominance it has ever gotten. It got as high as 0.62% of the general crypto market. Right now, it only has 0.26% of the general crypto market. I expect Algorand to actually set a new all-time high on the dominance chart. Guys, with this free point of mine, I hope you are in the belief that Algorand will one day see $5 per coin. We have shown that Algorand can be easily gotten on all the major exchanges. You can see that on the dollar pairing for Algorand, it still has room to run. It has not even gotten to the point, to the exact price point where the coin was listed, which is around 3.2. I think it's still going to break that 3.2 in the coming future. We can see the Bitcoin pairing. The Bitcoin pairing is still in the mud. I expect Algorand to start outperforming Bitcoin in the coming futures. We can actually even see the Ethereum pairing too. It's in an all-time low, and you want to be getting all these coins when they are all-time low in the valuation against Bitcoin, against Ethereum, even against the US dollar. That's when you want to be getting it, when nobody seems to want it, because the chart looks ugly and it looks as if it's going to be crashing. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, really important. If you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video, turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.